This market cycle has been characterized by two things: NFTs and the metaverse. Now, these two are not exclusively mutual, as NFTs are a very integral part of the metaverse. If I have to talk about the last 24 hours itself, NFT sales have crossed more than $130 million, and it's up more than 40% in the last 24 hours, whereas the crypto market has been struggling to go past certain benchmarks. So in this video, we are going to talk about one of the most hyped NFT projects, that is called Hapebeast. So in this video, we are going to review Hapebeast, one of the most hottest NFT projects to come out. What exactly is Hapebeast all about and how you can buy Hapebeast. So stay tuned to this video and find out more about the Hapebeast. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto as well as NFTs. If you like NFTs and crypto, and if you like making money, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything related to crypto, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments. And this is absolutely free of cost. So without further delay, let's jump on straight into Hapebeast. So what exactly is Hapebeast? Hapebeast is an 8K next generation high fashion ape. It is a uniquely built 3D characters to unite the app multiverse, right? And it is designed and styled by Digimental. Now this project is all about the fashion industry, right? And it's all about the fashion and the fashion including the apes, right? So what exactly is the roadmap for this particular project? Let's take a quick look on that. So the phase 1 is the beginning, a new dimension. That's the first drop will happen there and the music to Hape, and the phase 2 will have the second drops, the special collections and the semen engineering. The phase 3 is what I am very excited about, guys, right? Because phase 3 talks about clothing collaborations, Hape culture and the runaway to fame. The most interesting part is the clothing collaborations. Now what exactly does this mean? Does this mean that they are going to come into the physical world from the digital world? We do not know that yet. But what I find very interesting is the similarity with the Artifact Studios, which was acquired by Nike, if you know, right? And this is absolutely amazing, the type of fashion that they were also into. Don't be surprised if Hapebeast also goes into collaboration with some of the giants in the industry as well. Now if I have to talk about very quickly about the team, so as mentioned, it has been developed by the Digimental Studios, and which are based out of London, England, and they have a team member of 6 core members. Like Troy is from the utility, they have a guy who is writing the smart contract strategy, and more importantly, what amazes me is they have a specific guy catering to the music, right? And they have a couple of members who cater to the moderators part as well. If I will talk about the moderators team, it is a huge team. It has more than 30 moderators in the team, and I'll shortly come to the reason why this is absolutely necessary. Now if I have to talk about very quickly about their social media channels, this is their Discord channel, right guys? At the time of recording, it has got 332,000 members, and they have already banned like more than 500,000 bots, right? So it actually more than 600,000 bots. If I have to talk about the mint price, the mint price is at about 0.2 Ethereums, and there are a total of about 8192 unique NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, right? This floor price, be very sure that this is gonna be at least 10x, okay? This is gonna be at least 10x. So minimum of 2 to 3 Ethereum is gonna be the floor price. I could be, ridiculed by the number as well, right? Because it could go very well up into the 10s and 20s of Ethereum as well. Why do I say so? Because some of the other collections by this particular studio, Digimental, they have a Genesis collection, and look at the floor price. It has got 42 Ethereum of floor price, and they have got a small collection of about 35 items right here, and they are absolutely massive, right? The floor price is at 42. If I just sort it from high to low, you will come to know that highest priced NFT is at 1000 Ethereums. Okay, the last it was at 11 Ethereums, but it is priced at 1000 Ethereums. This is absolutely ridiculous, right? If I have to talk about very quickly about their Twitter, Then on Twitter, they have followers of more than 200,000 guys, right? And they have joined since July 2021. So they have been actually building the hype for this project, for a long period of time, right? And they have been slowly building the community, and there has been a lot of developments, guys. If you go to their announcements channel yesterday, it was announced that the team are gonna purchase 10 apes each, right? The 5 core team alphas will take 10 prime each, and Crime, who is the music guy, if you remember, right, this guy Crime is gonna take about 4 apes, which will take the total to 64 apes, right? They are gonna take 64 apes, and there is not gonna be any public sale or any whitelisting as of now. They had asked for a vote in their community whether they should actually buy this, and they got a positive response. And one of the very interesting things that I come to see over here is that they will not sell their apes for at least a month after the reveal. So this is actually very interesting. Okay, this is absolutely interesting. Now you would be noticing a similarity between the Hapebeast designs and that of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? That is simply because the founder, the Digimental, is a part of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, as you can see right here. So it's a no surprise, or it's a no-brainer that they have taken their motivation from the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So in total, I personally believe that this project is going to be one of the biggest projects, if not the biggest project of 2022 in the NFT space. And don't be surprised if going forward any bigger brand comes out and has a collaboration with them, because they already have it in their roadmap, guys, right? They have clothing collaborations in the roadmap, and you won't be surprised if that happens. Now there is one more important thing that I would like to highlight here, is that you should be protecting yourself from scams. There are a lot of scams that are going on around the market, and specifically for the Hapebeast part, right? So please be sure that they haven't launched any Hapebeast on the OpenSea market as of now. The date that I have come to here is 19th of January 2022 is when they are going to launch, but I strongly recommend you to follow their announcements channel on Discord. This is the place where you will get all the genuine information. Also, one thing very interesting which they have done is that they have asked you to raise a support ticket in case you have been a victim of fraud and scam, and you might get a refund as well. So this is something that shows that they care for the community, and they are here for the long game, and they are here to build the community, and they are here for the long game. What I'll do is I'll drop the link of the Hapebeast website in the description below. You can go there, and from there you will be redirected to this genuine website. There are a lot of fake websites, mind you, do not fall for them. Okay, this is very interesting time. Primary market of crypto slowing down. NFTs are the ones that are going to give you huge opportunities as well, right? So personally for me, I am looking to invest, but I do not know whether I'll be able to, because the price is just gonna shoot off. Okay, this is gonna be the biggest NFT collections for the year. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to share this video with your friends and family, because guys, NFTs is here to stay, and you should always be aware. And that is why we have started our new video series about NFTs, and we'll cover more and more NFTs along the way. Also, do not forget to join our Telegram channel, where you can discuss anything related to cryptos, NFTs for absolutely free of cost. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.